Lift, come in, heel side. Okay, arm rotations going forward. Making big circles, try to not touch the roof. And arm rotations going back. Big circles, touch your hands above your head. And one arm going forward, one arm going back. And opposite side. Okay, torso twist. So pushing out to the side, raising up your back foot. So you can twist as far as you can, all the way. Okay, so you're gonna have your left arm up, right arm hook under, pull onto your chest. And other side. And from here, you're gonna have your left arm behind your head and see if you can touch your fingers together. For about 5 seconds. And other side. Same thing. See if you can touch your fingers together. And paro. Feet nice and wide apart, hands on your hips, and hip rotations to the right. Nice and slow, don't go too fast. And other side. And paro. Okay, feet wide apart, so you're gonna bend your left knee, hands out in front, try to keep your back straight. Go all the way down. Make sure your heel is staying on the ground. And from here, you're going to go back up again, other side. So you should feel a nice stretch on the inner thighs. And back up again. Now you're going to point your toes to the left side and keeping your back straight, going into a deep lunge. All the way down. Try to keep your back straight, don't go forward. Don't go like this. And back up again, other side. Down. And back up again. From here, you're going to keep your feet wide apart. So hands up, touch the sky, and go down to the middle. Try to keep your back straight, touching the floor. If this is too easy, you can put your hands flat and back up again, down to the left side, touching your toes. If this is too easy, try to touch with the opposite hand. And back up again, other side. So 2 hands, 1 hand's easy enough, you can go to the other side. And back up again. Now hands up. So we're going to do rotations. So you're going to go circle, keeping your legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Feet together. Legs straight, back straight. You're going to go down and touch your toes. Keep your legs straight, don't bend your knees, no cheating. Legs straight and back up again. 1 foot over the other foot, back down. Touch your toes. This one burns a little bit more. And back up again. Other side. Touch your toes. And back up again. Okay, and you can shake it out. And that's finished for the stretching. Chirip, 경례, Bill, Sun. Chirip, 경례, Bill, Sun. Okay, so today for the adults, teens and adults, what we're going to do is warm up. We're going to do 3 things. The first thing is plank, everyone's favorite. The second one, if you've been to Mr. Cheney's conditioning classes, you'll be very familiar with this one, is inchworm. And the last one is going to be side lunges. So the side lunges, they're also a little bit more for stretching and mobility. So the first one we can do is the plank. So I want everyone comfortable position, and if you want, you can put something soft under your elbows because the ground can be a little bit hard. You can start off in a push-up position like this, or if you're comfortable, you can go down. So we're going to try this one for 45 seconds. So try your best to keep your back and your legs straight. You have to activate the core. Something that I try to remind myself is to contract my stomach and then also try to straighten my legs as much as possible. So, everyone ready? 45 seconds and go. So try to keep your back straight, try to keep your core activated and your legs straight. Try your best. If you can look up, and over time sometimes this happens or sometimes this happens. This makes it a little bit more difficult. This makes it easier, but try and keep it straight, like this. If you want, you can go back into this one. Sometimes it's better to also keep moving. Keep your mind a little bit preoccupied. So you can decide what to do, but very important, keeping your back and your legs straight. Almost there, 15 seconds. Let's go. Go, 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 go. 5 seconds. 2, 1, and bye. Oh. Okay. Next up we have our inchworm. This one's going to be a little bit difficult. So you want to keep your feet, let's say about shoulder width apart. You're going to keep your legs all the way straight. So then we go around over here. Straight, you're going to go down, almost like you're touching your toes. So everyone can follow me. You're going to walk forward until you're in a push-up position. If you want to, you can do a push-up. Come up and go back again. Oh, that's 1. We're going to do 6. And back down again, so legs straight. 2. Back down. 3. Back up and down. 4. Back down. 5. Last one. Remember to keep breathing. 6. And back up again. Okay. So this is the first round. So from here, the next one we do the side lunges. So you're going to keep your feet nice and wide apart, not too far, because that's going to make it a little bit more difficult, not too close, because then you might also lose your balance. You'll feel when it's comfortable. So from here, you're going to bend your left knee as far as you can. Try to go down as far as you can. If you can, go all the way down. Try to keep your heel on the ground. Even if you just make it to here, perfectly fine. It's all about the destination. So you can go down 1, other side. 2, other side. 3, other side. 4, keep your hands in front. 5, up again, other side. 6, back down. 7, 8, 9, up, down. 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Whew. Everyone back down again. Let's do this one more round. Everyone get into the plank position, 45 seconds, and go. Trying to keep your mind off things, you can count in your head, different languages. You can start prepping what you want to have for lunch or for dinner, because we have about 35 seconds left. No. Ooh, 10 seconds. No. Keep going, keep going. 5 seconds. And paro. Okay, so you're gonna have your feet on shoulder width apart. One more time, legs straight, go down. Catch your breath, and slowly go forward, down, and 1. Back up again. Down. 2. Back down again. 3. Back down again. 4. 5. 6. Whew, okay. And last one. Feet nice and wide apart. Let's go with 5 seconds to rest. Catch your breath. So you can take your left knee and you're gonna go. Okay. Go down as far as you can. 1 and up. Other side. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Almost finished. 10. 2 more. Whew. 11. Arms out front. Last one. And 12. Junbi. Okay. Shirip. Jongne. Bil San. Good job. Shirip. Jongne. Bil San. Okay, so today what we're going to do is, one more time, couple of combinations, but we're going to change it up a little bit. So what I want you to do is, everyone in Chumri position, tap your left leg, so left leg comes forward, hands up, so in your guard stance. Now, we're going to start off with our outward block. Then I want you to do a front hand, dodge, rear hand, front hand, listen closely, dodge, front hand round punch, rear hand round punch, and rear leg front kick. And back again. So let's try that one more time. See if I remember. So you're going to do outward block, front hand inward, rear hand inward, dodge, rear hand inward, front hand inward, dodge, front hand round punch, rear hand round punch, rear leg front kick. And back again. Okay. So let's try this, nice and slow. And Hana. 1, 2, dodge, 1, 2, dodge, 1, 2, boom. And back. Do. And back. Sit. Net. Dasat. And forward, other side. So same thing, nice and slow. So you can go outward block, front hand, rear hand, dodge, rear hand, front hand, dodge, front hand round, and rear leg front kick. Stepping back. Okay, let's try it. And Hana. Still. Sit. Net. Gaza. And follow. Serious. Youngman. Feel start. Okay, so now we've got warmed up, everything's going, and the last part is going to be your pattern. Now, everyone's always like, oh, pattern, but this is very, very important. So, what I want you to do is, you're going to do your highest belt pattern 10 times. So this means 10 times on the left side and 10 times on the right side. In case you maybe have forgotten what your highest pattern is, don't worry, we'll send an extra video with Mr. Ayman that he teaches you very well what your highest pattern would be. Okay, so what we're going to finish this off with is everyone sitting like a good martial artist, legs crossed, back straight, hands on your knees. You're going to close your eyes and you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more, almost finished. In through your nose, out through your ears. Last one, in through your nose. Hold it, and out through your mouth. Okay, everybody, good job today, and we'll see you soon.